Okay, here we go. Water runs out of an inverted conical tank at a constant rate of 2 cubic feet per minute. The radius at the top of the tank is 5 feet, and the height of the tank is 10 feet. How fast is the water level sinking when the water is 4 feet deep? Okay, we're going to start by drawing our inverted cone and writing down our formula. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Now, this 5 and this 10 are of the cone. So the cone has a radius of 5 and a height of 10. But we want to find how fast the water level is sinking when the water is 4 feet deep. So we want to find dH dt when h is 4. So we know that we got to do something here. So the water level's like this, and we want to know the rate when h, when h is 4. So what we're going to do is draw this out, okay? And if you notice, when this is 10 and this is 5, if this is 4, look at those similar triangles. When one triangle's inside another like that and you have parallel, they're similar triangles. And so you know this would be 2 because it's proportional. So in other words, the radius is always half of the height. So radius is always 1/2 of the height. Now, when I read this question, I'm trying to find the height. So I want h left in my formula. If I can use this relationship and get rid of the r, then that would be great. I would have less variables, and it would be much easier to differentiate this. So we are going to write out our formula and get ready to find our derivative, except right now we're going to change r to 1/2 h. Okay, I'll simplify this. So volume equals 1/3 pi times 1/4 h to the third, which is volume equals 1/12 pi h cubed. Now we'll find the derivative of that. So dv dt equals 1/12 pi times 3h squared times dh dt. And so we can plug in everything that we know. Well, dv dt, oh, I forgot to write that down. Given dv dt is -2 feet cubed per minute. So we're going to put -2 here. This will be 1/4 pi times the height is 4 squared dh dt. And then that'll be -2 equals 4 pi dh dt. And that'll be -1/2 pi equals dh dt. So we write our sentence out at the end. Ooh, sorry about that. To answer the question that was asked, how fast is the water level sinking when the water is 4 feet deep? The water level is changing at a rate of negative. We expect it to be negative because it's going down. -1/2 pi feet per minute when what? When the height is 4.